Okay, off to the right here, we have a graph that depicts the situation. This Khrystyna is over here, and she's 300 feet from Chris. And as Khrystyna looks up at the top of the tower, she has an angle of elevation of 49 degrees. And as Chris looks up at the top of the tower, he or she has an angle of elevation of 78 degrees. And we want to find the height of the tower, which is represented by h. So if we call x this distance right here from the base of the tower to Chris, then 300 minus x must be the distance from the base of the tower to Khrystyna. There's other ways to set it up, but this is just one of the ways. So we can get two equations and two unknowns. Tangent of 49 equals h over 300 minus x, and a tangent of 78 equals h over x. Now, since we want to solve for h, we could isolate or find the value of x in terms of h and substitute into the other equation. So I'm going to solve equation number 2 for x, and that's going to give us x equals h divided by the tangent of 78. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm going to dispense with using degrees for the rest of this. Now I'm going to substitute this expression into the other equation for x, and I'll get tangent of 49 equals h over 300 minus what's x? X is h over the tangent of 78. Now, how do you solve this for h? That's what we want to find. Well, this is what I got. And that evaluates to this. Question is, what did I do? Well, I'll tell you that I multiplied top and bottom of this fraction over here by the tangent of 78, just to clear or to turn this complex fraction into a simple fraction. It looks like I covered this is tangent of 78. And I'm going to take a picture of that and go to board 2. And just give you an idea of what happens. So over here I get tangent of 49 equals, so I multiply by tangent of 78, I get h tangent of 78 in the numerator. In the denominator, I get 300 tangent of 78. And when I take this tangent of 78 times this term in the denominator, the tangent of 78's cancel out, and I get just minus h. Now, what do I have to do to get that h by itself? Well, one strategy would be to multiply both sides of the equation by this denominator. And as you do that, you can picture the tangent of 49 being distributed times each term of this denominator. So I get 300. I'll go over here. 300 tangent of 49, tangent of 78, minus h tangent of 49 equals h tangent of 78. Now we're sort of getting somewhere. Because I have two terms that have h in them, I'm going to get those two terms on the same side of the equal sign. So I can picture transposing this term to the right side of the equal sign, and at the same time, I can factor out that h. I'll have tangent of 78, h times the quantity, tangent of 78 plus tangent of 49. And finally, h equals this term, 300 tangent 49, tangent of 78, divided by tangent of 78 plus tangent of 49. Okay, and you can do that on your calculator or go to the Desmos online graphing calculator. Type that in, make sure you're in degree mode, and you'll get the value for h, the height of the tower. There you go. Hope that helped.